March 1st is the slated date for the Vivo V27 series. 3 devices will emerge from the brand's mid-range portfolio: the standard V27, V27 Pro, and V27e. All are high-end and will launch globally. Despite being the cheapest sibling, enthusiasts expect Vivo V27e to be a hit. The internet has coughed its final spec sheet as a last-minute leak. Here's a brief rundown. The official Vivo V27e landing page from Malaysia confirms it has a 64MP WIS-supported camera, slim flat rails for design, color-matched UI plus skin texture, and a ring light. In sharing the phone's specs, Price Baba, the source for today's news, has spilled its lavender purple color in a real-life still. There's no clear sign if V27e has the same color-shifting backplate as its siblings, though the glazed feather texture makes it quite appealing. Vivo plans to add a glory black finish in the color palette for those who want something flat and low-key. In visuals, the V27e boasts a 6.62-inch E4 AMOLED display with FHD plus 120Hz resolution. By default, it runs the Android 13X FunTouch 13 OS. Reports suggest it has a slim profile with 162.51 x 75.81 x 7.8 mm dimensions. The razor-thin chassis comes at the cost of a smaller battery at 4,600 mAh. It will be a brand new addition to the Vivo price catalog. To recharge, it will support 66-watt max input via a Type C plug. The battery will power V27e's Helio G99 SoC, 8GB physical memory, and a Ring LED camera setup featuring a 64MP WI main, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth unit. It will bring a premium 32MP selfie shooter and a hidden fingerprint reader under the screen.